Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do a recap. Um, Today I was unable to make it in the chat room early this morning. I have two sick kids at home and I am starting to feel under the weather. But luckily we have the pre-market show with Carlos and Norm on YouTube. So while I was with them, I was able to watch it on my phone. And then shortly before the market opened, when I opened my platform, I was able to. I knew I wanted to look at MU and BA from the pre-market show. So I did trade in the first 5 minutes, which most of you know I do not like doing. But I kind of felt like I had to get a good, quick trade in before my kids needed me again. And this was a really great setup. As you can see, it's an opening range breakout. And it's a really nice pattern here on the 1 minute. The wicks to the downside, and then it made a new 1 minute high, and it just looked really strong. So I went long when it made a new high, and then took my partials at previous day levels that I had marked from the daily, and my stop loss was below the VWAP. And then I did try to add on the pullback on the 1 minute and after the 15 minute excuse me, after the 15-minute candle closed. But then I saw this doji happen right here. And so when it made a new low after that, I went ahead and exited most of my position and then got stopped out right below the VWAP. That was my MU trade. And then I traded BA also as a opening range breakout, 15-minute ABCD pattern, and VWAP rejection. So the first 15-minute candle closed really nicely at a really nice bear candle, and as well as the 5 minute, and it just looked very weak. So when it came back up and tested the VWAP and rejected it the first time, I went short and took very quick partial and then stopped myself out because this 5 minute candle scared me right here. So the second time it came up and tested the VWAP on the 1 minute, and this 5 minute candle closed below the VWAP. I took it short again with a stop above the VWAP, and then took my partials at previous levels that I had marked from the daily. And then I tried a stupid ad and then ended up getting stopped out, and then left a lot of money on the table with this one. But overall, I will take these two trades, especially when I didn't even think I was going to be able to trade today. I hope you all had a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.